Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. On this video I will let you know how you can earn free LTC on this website, which goes by the name LPix Litepeak. All right, litepeak.io. Okay, you could see guys, I'll be dropping a link on my video descriptions, so you got to go there and get the link, sign it with your email, password, and you're good to go. Right, you can see that here guys, I want to just claim my free Litecoin now in front of every one of us. All right, you could see these are their payouts and their levels. They have the stone, the iron, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and master. All right, and you could see here that I'm about to claim my hourly faucet, the Litecoin. Okay, because on this website you always claim for every 24 hours, so every 1 hour, guys. All you have to do, if you are using the free sections, just come here and be claiming free LTC for free every 1 hour. All right, you could see these are the levels. So in case the free session is not okay by you guys, or what you could do is, you can see once you're about to claim, you need to verify this captcha, which shows that you're a human. Okay, and after verifying the captcha, sorry, you click on this claim now. Once you click on this claim, automatically you will claim again, and I have to come back in the next 1 hour. All right, you can see the time counting. This is how their plans. In case the free session is not okay by you guys, you want to make a deposit where you could mine more faster and get more coin to reach the minimum, you could also come to this and select a plan here guys. After knowing the plans and the amount you could deposit, come here on this section and click on these deposit sections. Once you click on this deposit section guys, they will give you a wallet just like this, where you could make a deposit to the website, and automatically you're good to go. Or you scan this QR code guys. You could see for me, I have not made any deposit to this website because I'm using the free sections. Okay, this is also the and mind you, once you get signed into this website, once you verify your email, you will also earn more money. And these are the survey's plan guys. In case you complete the survey, you could earn another Litecoin from this website by just a complete survey. They have the CPS research, the time war, they have the monthly, and the left tab. Okay, anyone you do, once you complete the survey guys, you are good to go and you get more Litecoin. So you can see here guys, I'm about to place a withdrawal here in front of you, where we could see if only the website is paying or not. Okay, because I have just reached the minimum. Okay, and mind you, the minimum you could withdraw is 0.005 worth of Litecoin, and they take a charge. All what I have to do, I have to go straight to my Poset Pay, sorry, to my Litecoin wallet, and copy the wallet and see if only I can cash out this Litecoin to. Here I am on my Trust wallet guys. Mind you, can use any wallet to withdraw. Once it's Litecoin wallet you use to withdraw. Okay, I have to come here guys and copy the wallet below just like this, and after copying the wallet I have to head back to the website to proceed with my cash out. All right, here I am on the website guys. All what I have to do is to paste the Litecoin wallet right here below. After pasting the wallet just like this, or just like this guys, after pasting the wallet I have to put the amount I'm about to cash out. Then I should mind you, they take a fee. After then I have to verify this captcha, which shows that I am a human. And after verifying this captcha, I will click on this withdrawal icon right here guys. Successful. Let's see if only this website is gonna pay. Okay, while we wait, wow, please confirm withdrawal request have been clicked, and you can see my balance have just minimized. There is no balance, there is no money on my balance right now guys. You can see here guys, you can see minimum withdraw, so I have to wait while the the they complete the withdrawal. Okay, that simply means the website is paying. Let's just wait for them to approve my withdrawal. Okay, this is where we could also earn a lot of money from this website. Let's see here guys, by just a simple refer. Okay, the more you refer guys, the more you earn more money from this website. Okay, this is also where you click on this affiliate. Once you click on this affiliate icon guys, you could see that there are a lot of offer here for you. You see, and they have the commissions. They have the first commission, you earn 50% of the commissions. The game section, you earn 0.4% of the commissions, and the survey, complete survey, you earn 5% of a complete survey. Okay, you could see here below. And the more you refer guys on your Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and you are good to go, mind you. Okay, just copy the link and share to friends, and you can just rely why your referral will be making money for you. You can see what I have here already. I have a commission here to claim, and once I did, I have to click on this claim now. Once I click on this claim now guys, you will see I will claim my commission, successfully claim guys. So because I have just placed a withdrawal right here below, You can see here guys, again this is another section of earning by playing the game. This is the game sections where you can also play games and earn a lot of money once you get me. But mind you, please do not be selfish while playing this game, because this is a kind of game you may win, you may lose. Always cash out the amount you win. Okay, so guys, you will see, let me just play a game right in front of you. Let's see if only I could win. Mind you, whenever you jam a bomb, that simply means you have fell. Okay, I win, I'm winning. So because I am winning this, I need to cash out because I am not selfish. So please, while playing the game, do not be selfish too. You could see I just cash out, guys. Mind you, whenever you jam this bomb here, this simply means you have fall. Okay, so this is the section again, guys, where you could earn. You can see I just come here below and earn a lot of Litecoin without any single investment or any deposit. It is absolutely free. It is free section of earning. Okay, so the more you refer to friends, they're okay with the free sections, keep on referring to friends, and the more they are active investors, the more you make a lot of money. Okay, so I have to head back to my trust wallet to shake if only my cash out have reflect right there. Okay, so guys, when you shake here, you will see that this is the transaction is successfully, but it's still pending, guys. So you can see the website is pending. This is where you can also shake to see other people that are receiving their cash out straight to their crypto wallet. Okay, you can see here, this is here you can see the transaction time, people that are withdrawing the amount, and the transaction ID, and the complete transactions. Okay, and there are a lot of people. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this wonderful video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and turn on the notification button so whenever I drop a video like the YouTube notify you. Okay, share the video and like the video, share the video to friends. This is free LTC mining website, guys. Come on, mine LTC for free. And please, before the proceed, make your own personal research. I'll be dropping the link on my pinned comment sections. So this may be all for this today video. Wait for more videos to come. Thanks and stay blessed. All right.